Hello everyone, welcome back to RAAHA VLSI. So in this video, we are going to discuss about another job opportunity. So the role is for design verification engineers. Here if you can see design verification engineers, freshers, okay, the experience level is freshers. So as they have not mentioned like a trained freshers, they have not mentioned. So they have simply mentioned like a freshers they are hiring. So the people who have not completed their training in design verification course, even they can apply, and the trained freshers both can apply. Okay, even the untrained freshers can also apply to this position and they can just try. Okay. Cool, fine. So education is BTech, BE or ME, MTech. You have should have completed your graduation, and the eligibility is only 2021 and less than people. That means that 2022, 2023, and 2024. So these people are not eligible for this position. So only 2021 or less than below 2021, like 2020, 2019, 2018. These people are only eligible to apply for this position. And the location is Bangalore. So once you got selected for this position, you'll be working at the Bangalore office. Okay, for their Bangalore office, you'll be working. So the company name is Delancey Tech. Okay, this is the company which is hiring for this position. Okay, now how to apply for this position? Now, as this is design verification engineer position, so the questions will be the interview will be focused more on aptitude, digitals, Verilog, system Verilog, and UVM. So you should have technical knowledge, so that your technical knowledge should be perfect. Okay, you can prepare on your technical knowledge, and moreover you have to prepare on your projects also. Okay, that would be an added advantage for you in the interview. Now how to apply for this position, let us discuss that. Okay, so here they have given their mail id. Okay, here they have mentioned their mail id, so kavya.c. So this is the mail id to which you have to share your updated resume. You have to share your updated resume through the mail. Okay, so this is the mail. To this mail you have to share your resume. Now whenever you are sending a resume, okay, when you are applying for a job opportunity, the mail should be the template of the mail that you are writing should be professional. Okay, simply you should not write like applying for this position, simply one or two sentences. You should not complete writing. So let me give you one template which you can use whenever you are applying for any job opportunities. You can just use this template. Okay, in your mail you can just take this as a to receptionist, and in the subject, inside subject, you can write for the which position you are applying for, that you can just mention. Okay, so let us see. I'll give you the template, okay, which you can use in your mails. Okay, so first of all subject. So what will be the subject you will use? Okay, subject. In subject line you have to write the position which you are applying for. Here if you see design verification engineer, right? So simply write design verification freshers application. Okay, like this you can write your subject line. So after writing your subject line, so your message body, what you will write inside message body? So greet the HR first, right? Dear HR team, or dear HR, anything you can write. Okay, dear HR team, hope you are doing well. Okay, you can just greet them. Now you can start by introducing yourself. I am. So here you can just write your name. Okay, your name here. You just start your message with, I have come across your job opportunity for design verification engineer, fresher, through LinkedIn or on LinkedIn. You can write, okay, on LinkedIn. So now you have to express that you are really interested in this position, right? So you can write like, I am writing to express my strong interest in the position. Okay, now here what you can do, you can just, okay, let me change this design. Okay, here you have to attach your resume, right? So let us add, I have attached my updated resume for your reference. Please go through and let me know your valuable feedback on the same. Okay, let me know your valuable feedback on the same. Eager to hear from you. So here you can write like a best regards. So your name. Okay, simply you can use this. Okay, this is the message. If you want, you can use this message template. Okay, so this is the mail. So for to address, use this mail id, just copy and paste this email id in the subject line, write the position name along with the fresher application, like that you have to write. So in the message body you have to be very much requesting and professional way, you have to write your message body. Okay, and after writing this you just mention, insert, you just attach your resume and you can just send your mail. Okay, instead of sending without any body message, write a proper message inside your body of your email, so that it will look more professional. Okay. Okay, so this is about the job opportunity. You can just apply for this particular position. If you are not trying to fresher also, those people can also try apply for this position. Okay, if you are getting a call back from them, yeah, you can just let us know. So whenever any job opportunity that you are applying for, so if you are getting a call back from any particular company, you can just let us know, so that we can help you on what concepts you can prepare and how you can clear that interview. We can help you in the procedure also. Okay. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. In the next video we'll see you again with next opportunity for freshers. Okay, thank you everyone.